Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Studyhitz. So friends, in today's video, we will see top 20 most important MCQs which are based on Shelly's poem Ode to the West Wing. In this video, we will see top 20 MCQ which are based on poems, themes, symbol, literary devices and poetic forms for your upcoming competitive exams. So without any further delay, let's start the MCQs. Question number 1. The poem Ode to the West Wing belonged to which literary movement? A. Victorian, B. Neoclassical, C. Romantic, or D. Modern? So the right answer is option number C. Romantic. Shelley was a major poet of the Romantic movement, emphasizing nature, emotion, and revolution. Question number 2. Ode to the West Wind is an example of which poetic form? A. Elegy, B. Ode, C. Ballad, or D. Sonnet? So the right answer is option number B. Ode. It is a lyrical ode expressing strong emotion and addressing a natural force. Question number 3. The west wind is described as both destroyer and preserver. This reflects A. Metaphor, B. Paradox, C. Irony, or D. Simile. So the right answer is option number B. Paradox. The wind destroyed dead leaves but also spread seeds for new life. Question number 4. How many stanzas does Ode to the West Wind contain? A3, B4, C5, or D6? So the right answer is option number C, 5. The poem consists of 5 stanzas, each with 14 lines. Question number 5. Each stanza of poem follow which verse form? A. Blank verse, B. Spenserian stanza, C. Terza rima, or D. Heroic couplet. So the right answer is option number C, Terza rima. Shelley uses Dante's Terza rima ABA, BCB, CDC. Question number 6. Which natural realm is not directly influenced by west wind in the poem? A. Earth, B. Sky, C. Ocean, or D. Fire? So the right answer is option number D. Fire. The wind affects land, sky, and sea, but not fire. Number 7. The dead leaves symbolize A. Human emotion, B. Autumn season, C. Political oppression, or D. All of the above. So the right answer is option number D. All of the above. They signify decay, social stagnation, and emotional exhaustion. Number 8. The poet's plea Make Me Thy Ire suggests A. Submission to fate, B. Loss of identity, C. Desire for poetic inspiration, D. Escape from nature. So the right answer is option number C. Desire for poetic inspiration. Shelley wanted the wind to inspire his poetry like a musical instrument. 9. Which theme is central to the poem? A. Love and beauty, B. Revolution and change, C. Death and mourning, or D. Religious faith. So the right answer is option number B, revolution and change. The wind symbolizes political and social transformation. Question number 10. The poem was written in A. Spring, B. Summer, C. Autumn, or D. Winter. So the right answer is option number C. Autumn. The imagery of decay and transition reflect the autumn season. Number 11. Shelley's treatment of nature in the poem is A. Decorative, B. Didactic, C. Dynamic and symbolic, D. Realistic. So the right answer is option number C. Dynamic and symbolic. Nature is an active force representing change and power. Question number 12. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Expresses A. Despair, B. Irony, C. Hope, or D. Fear. So the right answer is option number C. Hope. It suggests renewal and optimism after hardship. 13. The west wind act as a symbol of A. Death only, B. Time, C. Political revolution, D. Fate. So the right answer is option number C. Revolution. Shelley linked the wind to revolutionary change in society. 14. The poet tones in the final stanza is A. Pessimistic, B. Sarcastic, C. Prayerful and hopeful, or D. Detached. So the right answer is option number C. Prayerful and hopeful. Shelley appeals to the wind to spread his ideas. 15. The line Thou who didn't waken from his summer dreams refers to A. Earth, B. Wind, C. Sea, or D. Sky. So the right answer is option number C. It's C. The west wind awakens the Mediterranean Sea. Question number 16. Which figure of speech dominated the poem? A. Simile, B. Personification, C. Hyperbole, or D. Onomatopoeia. So the right answer is option number B. Personification. The wind is addressed as a living and powerful being. 17. Shelley's view of the poet in the poems is that of A. Passive observer, B. A moral teacher, C. A revolutionary prophet, or D. A nature worshipper. So the right answer is option number C. A revolutionary prophet. The poet spread idea to awaken society. Question number 18. The west wind's influences on seeds symbolizes A. Destruction, B. Sleep, C. Renewal, or D. Silence. So the right answer is option number C. Renewal. Seed buried in winter will grow in spring. Number 19. Which stanza shift focus from nature to the poet himself? A. First, B. Second stanza, C. Third stanza, or D. Fourth stanza. So the right answer is option number D. Fourth stanza. The poet directly referred to his personal suffering. Last question of today's video, question number 20. The poem end on a note of A. Defeat, B. Doubt, C. Optimism, or D. Tragedy. So the right answer is option number C, optimism. The final line affirms faith in renewal and change. दोस्तों ये थे टॉप 20 MCQs जो कि बेस्ड थे पीबी शैली की पोम ओड टू वेस्ट विंड पर। अगर आप लोगों को ये टॉप 20 MCQs पसंद आए हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं ऐसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।